Welcome to the Muxall Open IoT channel. I am your host, Michael Crane.
All right, in today's really quick video, we're going to be doing a test with the Heat Founder Quartz Igniter with a fast blow fuse in this Quad Pro. And the reason why I'm doing this is because the Heat Founder Igniter pulls quite a few amps. Well, it pulls more than the ceramic, and I don't think I have a steel one around here. I might have an old one, but anyway, that Heat Founder Quartz will pull more, and I want to, because right now I put a slow blow fuse in all the controllers, and what I've noticed recently, well, not recently, I've noticed from time to time that sometimes when the igniter fails, it shorts and it pops a fuse, which is good. It saves all the electronics. But then so you know, the fuse blows, and then you replace it, and it still doesn't work. The igniter doesn't work, or something else doesn't work. Well, it's usually the igniter doesn't work, and the reason why is because it blows this triac out, and that triac. So that triac is rated for like 10 amps or 12 amps. I don't remember. I'll pull up the spec sheet. I'll pull it up when I'm editing the video. But yeah, and so the fuse blows, but then it takes a triac with it. So I want to try a fast blow fuse in this and make sure it's going to work. Unfortunately, the beta tester is going to have to test it, but because I can test it, and it may or may not work here, but it needs to be tested over time. I like the slow blow fuses because it, prevents people from having to replace fuses, if something goes out. But yeah, it's causing problems because it's taking the triac out with it, and I could probably upgrade the triac, but as a intermediate fix, I think maybe a fast blow fuse may be the answer. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and pop it in, and we'll give it a shot. Okay. All right, I got everything plugged in. There's the igniter over there. Sorry, it's kind of out of focus. I guess I could bring it a little closer so now we can see it. And let me turn the controller on. And it boots up. And I'm just going to hit start. All right. And it's an ignite fire. Oh, yeah, you can see the igniter heating up. Well, that's good. Yeah, see, nothing really happened. I don't really have another load on it. I have some light bulbs plugged into the other, the auger and the fan, just to put a load on it. And yeah, I didn't think anything, would happen. This actually, if you watch the previous video about the inrush current, I'm going to go ahead and turn it off because it's when it first starts is the problem. But anyway, if you watch the previous video about the inrush current, this thing spikes to about 3.5 amps, and which is not a problem for the controller. I think its bus is rated for 5 or 10 amps. I don't remember. I'd have to look at the spec. But I put a 5 amp fuse in it to protect all the components, except for that triac, which keeps going out. So with the slow blow, it allowed a spike, and if I find the spec sheet, I'll put it up there, and I guess it's allowing too much of a spike when an igniter goes out. But anyway, I'm going to leave that in there for Phil. He's a beta tester, and I'll send him another fuse just in case. But yeah, I might ship some of those out to the customers if this works out well, to replace them, to protect their controllers in case their igniter goes out. I know it's kind of a pain, but it's a good preventative measure, and it saves from having to send it in for service. So anyway, that's about it for this video. I'll see you guys later.
Don't forget, you can support the Muxall Open IoT channel by donation using a credit card and PayPal, or by purchasing products at the Muxall store. Details and links are in the description under this video. Well, that's it for this video. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, that helps, and hit the subscribe button, that really helps. If you have any questions or comments, post them in the comments under this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.